Hello there, and welcome. Yesterday I read a passage from Willa Cather's wonderful novel, My Antonia. And it is a product of its time. There was a moment there where I thought, wonder how readers will think about this statement. And if you can guess what statement it was, please leave a comment. But I think we can still use Willa Cather as an inspiration. I think she's a wonderful writer, and she's certainly one of the greatest writers of the American West. So, let's take that passage and use it to write either a memoir, a poem, a story, or just a vignette. Tell it from the first person point of view, in other words, I, of a person going into a strange new place and meeting a strange new person. All the rest of it you can embellish any way you want. But just think of it as, I'm going to write about someone who's saying I. It doesn't have to be you per se. It can be someone very different from you, but the point of view you're going to use is I. And that I is going to go into a strange new place and meet a strange new person. Now, if I were pushing the comparison even further, I would suggest trying what Cather does there. It's in the very early part of the novel, and our character is traveling at night. This effect of traveling at night has always had a sort of deep inspirational effect on humans. To travel at night is to enter the world of the new in an entirely exciting way, I think. And I can remember even coming home at night when I was a child. My parents would be talking in the front seat of the car, and my little brother and I would be in the back seat dozing. And we would fall asleep to the sound of our parents' voices. And it was such a beautiful thing to experience. And there's something about moving at night that suggests adventure. And sometimes danger. Well, that's it for now. I hope you have a glorious rest of the day, and I hope you see me again. You gorgeous people.